Welcome to the comparison of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Both phones share an architectural core but offer two distinct form factors: minimalist power versus an expanded canvas. Both the S25 and S25 Plus share the same cognitive core. They include the Galaxy AI suite, Gemini integration for multimodal input, and the exact same personal data engine and Knox matrix security. Both models are built tough, regardless of size, with identical armor. They feature an armor aluminum frame, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and rear, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Powering both devices is the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The CPU speed is 45% faster, NPU speed is 68% faster for AI processing, and GPU performance is 48% improved graphics. The Pro Visual Engine features an identical triple lens system. This includes a 12MP ultrawide, a 50MP main-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The system is powered by the Object-Aware engine. While the core components are shared, the devices diverge in four key areas: display, ergonomics, battery, and charging. These are the decision variables for consumers. The S25 has a 6.2-inch FHD Plus display, while the S25 Plus offers an immersive 6.7-inch QHD Plus display. Both feature 2600 nits peak brightness and a 120Hz refresh rate. In terms of handling, the S25 is featherweight at 162 grams, best for one-handed use. The S25 Plus is more substantial at 190 grams, ideal for two-handed media consumption. The S25 has a 4000 mAh battery, and the S25 Plus has a 4900 mAh battery. This difference translates to roughly 1 hour more of heavy active use on the Plus model. The S25 is capped at 25W wired charging, taking about 57 minutes to reach 100%. The S25 Plus features 45W wired charging, which can achieve 0 to 65% in a short 30-minute session. The S25 base model starts with 128GB of storage, with a paid upgrade to 256GB. The S25 Plus starts at 256GB as the standard base storage option. The S25 starts at $799 for 128GB. The S25 256GB is $859, while the S25 Plus 256GB is $899. If you need 256GB, the S25 Plus offers higher hardware value for a marginal price increase. This technical specification matrix summarizes the differences. Note the S25 Plus advantages in display resolution, battery capacity, 45W charging, and base storage. The S25 is for the minimalist, prioritizing one-handed ergonomics and flagship power without the bulk. The S25 Plus is for the media power user, prioritizing screen fidelity, all-day battery confidence, and faster charging. There is no wrong choice, only different priorities. Choose the S25 for the fit, offering flagship power in a featherweight chassis. Choose the S25 Plus for the flow, with greater efficiency in a QHD Plus display.